I want to talk to you today about another travel bag gear. This one is for all of my small electronics. So this is a very stylish bag. I just love it. And when you open it up, you can put all of your charging cables, card readers, all my small stuff kind of goes in here. Microphones, um, all my charging cords. And then here you have this little extra flap that keeps it secure. And then I put my extra phone in here, and I have room for whatever else I want to put in here. I can put more charging cables in here. You always have so many charging cables. And this way, they are not like in your bag, dragging out. I don't know how many times I've been in an airplane and I'm trying to find something in my bag and my charging cables come flying out all over the place. So this keeps everything really nice and neat. It has a dual zipper on it, so it's easy to close. And then you have a little travel handle right here to hold everything. This fits perfect in my backpack or my oversized purse, anything that I need to take with me. And it's just a great addition to all my travel gear. And that's just my honest opinion.